My name is Christina. I'm a legal assistant here at Prevost Law Firm, and we're here with our client who's celebrating a victory right now, Alejandro. And thank you for your time, Alejandro. I know that one of the ways in which you decided to choose Prevost Law Firm was listening to client videos, the testimonials of other people. And so we have you here today. You have your victory. It's now your turn to share your victory with others, and so that you can let them know what we're doing and we can all celebrate with you. So tell us a little bit about your story. I know that we cannot talk about who your lender is or your settlement details, but tell us a little bit about your experience with your installer and what you were experiencing.
Well, my experience with my installer was really bad. Their name is Texas Energy Resources Innovations. And the situation that they put me through has been a terrible ordeal. I ended up signing 2 loans. So I ended up having 2 loans, 2 debts, and a system that wasn't working. They did come and install it. They did come and do their tubing and everything, but they never passed the inspections. The wiring was wrong, and it was just really bad. I felt completely taken advantage of. I really felt like frustrated, and that I really needed good help, great help.
Did you try to get this fixed on your own before calling us?
I did. I talked to them. I called them. Well, I didn't call the actual installer because they sent me a letter saying that they had gone bankrupt, so I couldn't reach out to them anymore. But I did call the lender, and they said they were gonna send somebody, and they did, and they couldn't fix it. And then they sent somebody else, and they couldn't fix it. They sent like 4 different crews. No one was able to fix it. No one was able to get the system working. And I was like, is this how it's going to be?
That sounds so frustrating.
It was.
And then you found us.
Yes, I found another company per se that offered some services like yours. But basically what they were a group of people that would study my case and then charge me money to give it to a law firm, which then would charge me money. So I was like, no, I don't think so.
Understandable. Yeah, you want to go right to the source. And that's what Prevost Law Firm does, is we only do solar panel fraud. We've been successful with all of our cases so far, and we get to work directly with our clients to help you get financial relief and justice. And so since you've been working with us, what has your experience been?
My experience has been really good. I've been helped all along. I have been explained everything that was going to happen, every step of the way. At the beginning, when I first contacted you guys, I wasn't sure about doing it. But then again, I was like, I'm going to be stuck with this loan, paying for it. And if I stop paying for it, it's going to mess up my credit. So the lady that I actually talked to and who actually talked me into signing on was Sandy McClanahan. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right.
You are.
She talked me into it. She told me, you know what, this is it. We can do it. We can help you. And she convinced me, and I am happy that she did, because the results have been awesome.
I love to hear that. I love to hear that we've gotten you great results. How do you feel now that we do have your results and your victory?
I have 4 words that describe how I feel: awesome, relieved, and stress-free.
Love that. What does this mean for your family?
It means that we don't have to be arguing about it anymore, because it was a problem with my wife, because honestly, she didn't want me to go ahead and do the solar thing. And I wasn't completely sure when I did it, but I did it because I could. You know how guys are. So we ended up having problems because of that. And but now she is relieved too. We don't have any problems about it anymore, and we're just continuing and moving on.
Love to hear that. You've redeemed yourself.
Yes, yes. You guys redeemed me.
Well, I'm glad we could partake. I'm glad we could help you. What would you say to anybody who is thinking about hiring Prevost Law Firm to help them get relief for their situation?
Honestly, I would tell them not to waste any more time. When I first started watching the videos that y'all have and that you're making one of me right now, I wasn't completely sure because I mean there are so many scams out there that I was like, are these people for real? Will they be real people? Actually, I looked some of them on Facebook and I was able to find them. So if people want to look me up, my name is Alex Casas. They can look me up on Facebook. I will tell them what's going on and I will tell them what I'm telling you right now. What you guys did with me is awesome.
Thank you. Those words mean everything to us. Our law firm, we really do care for our clients. We really want to get you financial justice and relief. We hear the stories day in and day out of what this means to your family, the hardships that it can create, the struggles, the tension, and also the financial future that gets to be reclaimed, the peace that gets to be reclaimed, and the stress that gets to be diminished when we get you a victory, when we can help you. So we'll always do everything that we can to help our clients. And I thank you so much for your time, Alejandro. I thank you for your commitment to sticking with your own lawsuits, to getting the relief. I know it takes some time, but you got the results that you wanted, the victory you wanted, and I'm so happy for you.
Something I forgot to mention is that Mr. Neil Prevost himself called me and he gave me the results that I was going to get.
Oh, I bet that was just a happy moment for you.
It was. It was. I was at work and I was like, that's it. I can quit. I can go home.
Mr. Prevost has a heart of gold.
It does.
Definitely. Let me just ask you one more question.
Okay.
If you had one thing that you wanted to say to our staff or to anybody in our company, what would that be?
It will be you guys rock. You guys really care. You guys helped me a lot and I really appreciate it. And I hope that God can continues to bless that company.
Thank you so much. Well, thank you, Alejandro. We appreciate your time. Thank you for sharing your words and your experience with other people and with us. And we are here celebrating your victory with you. You deserve it.
Thank you. God bless you.